guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a review on the Honey Pop mask that just came out from Remi, MissRemiAshten or Rem Life, depending on what channel you watch of hers. So if you want to see how this product works, then just keep watching. So like I said, we're going to test out this product today. It is a mask set. It is a merch, which I saw a lot of controversy about this. Merch is short for merchandise, so it could be any product, by MissRemiAshten or Rem Life, depending on which channel you watch of hers. But she came out with a company called Honey Pop and a product, which is this, and it is her mask. So we're going to just go ahead and get into it. This is the package it came in, which I think the detailing on the package is actually really cute itself. It's not just a plain, you know, slip thing. I can't think of the name. And then it did come in good bubble wrap. I know that's important to some people, most people. So there's that. So this is the box itself. It says Honey Pop, I'm on staycation tonight. It's a DIY face mask kit and acne treatment. This retails for $34.95. I think when I added my shipping it was $39.95, which is a really good deal because most face masks that are good are normally at least $50 that I've seen, which I know Glam Glow is like I think $54 or $60. So most masks are expensive that are good. So I was really excited to see that this was only $34.95, so I did want to mention the pricing. So let's go ahead and open it. So it looks like it comes with a Kick It Off mud mask base, and this has 3.4 fluid ounces in it. And then it comes with 2 droppers. Let's see, the blue one is the Chillax Depuffing Magic Serum, which comes with 0.5 fluid ounce. And then the pink one, it matches my nails. It's Immaculate Pores Clear Vibes Acne Treatment, and this is the same 0.5. And what else? Dropping things. There is a Scrub It Away Exfoliating Gel, which is a 1 fluid ounce. A little mixing bowl, and a spatula, which is really nice that it came with this, and I like the color that it's pink. So I'm going to read the back. It's got a lot of notes on the back about everything. So it says, I'm on staycation tonight is a DIY face mask kit and acne treatment by Honey Pop. Includes the perfect assortment of complexion loving actives needed to create a professional facial at home for wow looking skin. It's cruelty free and dermatologically tested. It is for all skin types, it looks like. Okay, so let's read into each product. So this is the mud mask base. It says it's deliciously whipped. That's cute. I love the words they come up with. Glides on silky smooth to deeply purify and hydrate the skin, or the look of skin. Powered with volcanic hematite, whatever. Red algae gel and licorice actives. Never heard of that. So it says, Kick It Off leaves the skin appearing luxurious and soft, intended for use alone or blended for a customized mask experience. You're supposed to leave this on for 15 to 30 minutes with a thick layer. Next product, the exfoliating gel. It is a blend of physical and anasmic, I can't speak today, exfoliants combined to gently remove dead skin cells, improve skin clarity, and reveal a radiant looking complexion. It's a micro blend of bamboo and apricot. It's to seriously increase the look of natural cell turnover and turn dull looking skin into glowing looking skin. I need that. This one also says 15 to 30 minutes to leave on. Oh my god, my battery's dying! Okay. The depuffing one. Smooth and toned delicate skin around the eyes with Honey Pop's nutrient-packed chillaxing depuffing serum. A super concentrated blend of antioxidant-rich, soothing and depuffing actives designed to wake up and brighten the look of eyes. This one says, same thing, they all say 15 to 30 minutes to leave on. So then the last one is the acne treatment one. It says, breakouts take a break with Honey Pop's Immaculate Pores Clear Vibes Acne Treatment Formula designed to clear any blemishes and prevent future breakouts. That would be nice. Ooh, it's got tea tree in it. It's supposed to reveal smooth looking clear skin and immaculate looking pores. Okay, cool. So we basically are supposed to mix this in, I guess create your own concoction, which is cool. I kind of wish there was like a recommended use this much, but I'm obviously just gonna eyeball it. So let's go ahead and put the base. Ooh, is there, yes, I like that you have to peel them off so you know they're sanitary. So let's put a little bit of the base in. I don't know how much to use. We're gonna go with that and hope it's not too much or too little. And then we're gonna put some of the exfoliating gel. I don't wanna use too much. Since it comes with only 1 fluid ounce, I'm assuming you're not supposed to use too much of this. So let's put a little bit of that. Oh, that was probably too much, but we put that much. All right, I am lucky to not have too many acne problems right now, so I'm only gonna use maybe 2 drops of this and do more of the depuffing one. So let's do, oh. I love the colors. They're like really glittery looking, like the pink in this, the blue, and then actually the exfoliating gel's purple looks pink too, or not pink, looks glittery too, which is cute. Okay, let's do the blue, and I think I'm just gonna do 3 of this, or you know, 4 or 5, whatever. So let's stir it all up. I wish you could see this, but I'm not professional, I don't have cool cameras. Oh man, I definitely think we're gonna need more. So when I scrape it all to the side, this is all that made. So I think because it said to apply a thick layer, I'm actually going to double what I just did. So let me do that real quick. Okay, so I added more, and now I feel like there's probably enough for my thick layer on my face. So I'm just gonna get my hair out of the way. Okay. Whoa. Oh, I have to take my makeup off. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back and makeup's off. Sorry, I was too excited to try this. I completely forgot I need to take makeup off. All right, so let's go ahead and do this. One thing I wanted to know is how good this smells. Like, I can't pinpoint what it is. I wonder if I could look on the ingredients and find it. Ooh, apricot. That's what I'm smelling. It smells so good though, like even in the box, and when it came in the package, I could smell that. Okay. Let's go ahead and apply this to our face. Oh, I got it on my new shirt. God, I'm a mess. So it's a thick layer. Okay, so I did watch Remi's video when she applied it, and she did say one thing that she liked about the mask is that it didn't burn. I'm actually gonna say it is burning. It's not the mask that's burning. I mean, it is, but I have extremely dry in my nose, and so my nose cracks constantly. So I'm accustomed to getting burning there because I basically have open skin because it keeps cracking. So that's not the mask's fault, because everywhere else it does not burn at all. It's just right there. But I get that with everything I put on my face. Moisturizer, primer, like anything I put on my face, if my nose is cracked open, which it tends to happen when I take my makeup off because I'm scrubbing it, I get that. So far I don't think the mask itself is burning, because like I said, it's not doing it anywhere else. Only right there, and that's because of my face. Oh wow. I guess what I had before was enough, because now I have a lot of extra. I'm gonna stop there. I will say, if you're doing this at home, don't put as many of these droplets as I did. Put more of the base, because it's a little runny, but I think it's because I put this stuff and not enough of this. So that's just a trial and error, because, you know, obviously you're making your own concoction and mixing it. So, alright, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to do this for the full 30 minutes, and then I will be back when I've taken it off and show you the final results. Okay, so I decided to go ahead and come back on before taking this off because I wanted you to get a close-up of it. So let me zoom you in. Up close and personal. Okay, so you can see the application isn't even, but we don't care. So you can definitely see all of the spots from the exfoliator now. You can see a couple of places that I put too much hasn't dried, but the rest has. So I would definitely say wait the 30 minutes because some things haven't dried. I'm gonna go ahead and wash this off, and then we'll be right back. Okay, so now that it's off my face, I love this. I really liked the exfoliating gel, because when you're washing off the mask, you're exfoliating at the same time, and oh my gosh, my skin feels so soft. And the thing I love the most, and I don't know if it's because of how much I put in there or what, but a lot of exfoliating masks say that, you know, obviously they're exfoliating, they're taking out the dead skin, but they don't get my nose very good. And I am not even kidding. I see almost no dead skin. Obviously, I have a little bit because it's in a crevice and it is hard to get to, but this is probably the most that an exfoliating mask has gotten my dry skin. So I really like that. As far as the acne, obviously that's something I'm just going to have to see over time. I will update in the description box in a week or two how this is working for me as far as like the treatment of this acne part, and then same with the depuffing, because those are kind of things that unless I'm really needing it at that moment, I'm not going to notice a difference yet. So I will update in the description box down below how it's worked after a couple weeks of using this. I'm probably going to use it 3 times a week at least. The depuffing, I really want to try it by itself and just use the serum on my eyes when I really do need it and see how that works, because obviously these are things you can use separate and you can use them together. So far I really love this product. I think it is definitely worth the money. Like I said, it's $34.95, which is super cheap for skincare products. So I think it's definitely worth the buy, and if you like Remi, you're probably just like me and want to support her. So I think it's a really good product. I think she did an amazing job creating this, and I'm sure she didn't create it on her own, obviously, because it is skincare, so she probably had, you know, help by a chemist. But overall, I think it's a really good product and I would definitely suggest buying it. So that is all I have for this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one.